Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find Clock app, and when you find it, click on it. Now choose Alarm over here next to Word Clock and create your own by tapping on this plus icon at the top right corner. Then set up an hour. Following that, you need to click on Repeat and tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. I will go with every Friday and every Wednesday. When you're ready, click on the back button at the top left corner. Now you can click on Label. Label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and click on this green switcher next to Snooze to switch it off or on. Finally, click on Sound. Now you can click on Tune Store, download all purchased tones over here if you wish to, and then log into your iTunes or go back, tap on one of those ringtones, and select the back button. If you wish to, you can always go into Sound again, but this time click on Pick a Song over here and select Music from your library. You can also select Vibration at the top and select the best vibration pattern for you by clicking on the chosen one, like Rabbit. You can also disable them completely by selecting None or select Synchronize option. If you want to, you can even choose Create New Vibration and create your own new vibration pattern over here. First of all, you need to tap it in and then choose Stop at the bottom right corner. Now you can play it by clicking on the bottom left one. If you want to redo it, you need to click on Stop and then select Record at the bottom right corner as well. Then repeat it, stop it when you're ready, and save it by choosing Save at the top right corner. Now you can name your vibration pattern however you wish to, and save it by choosing Save. If you wish to set it up, you need to click on it and then select the back button. Finally, save your alarm by choosing Save over here at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to edit it, you need to click on it, make your changes and tap on Save again. In order to get rid of your alarm, click on it, but this time select Delete Alarm over here, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!